Hey all, welcome to DevTech Junior. In this video, we'll look at what CSS is, how it works, and why we use it. Let's get started. So if you don't know who I am, my name is Anirudh and I create web development tutorials on YouTube and help others learn coding the easy way. So if that sounds interesting, make sure you subscribe to see more videos just like this. Alright, so the question is, what is CSS? Well, CSS is a styling program that is often used with HTML, JavaScript, and PHP to create some dynamic looking websites on the internet. So, mainly we would use HTML to create the structure, and then we would use CSS to style it. But if that doesn't make sense to you, then we can think of it in another way. Think of a website as a house, okay? So think of the website like a metaphor as a house, right? And to build that house, we would need HTML. So with HTML, we would create the main frame, the structure, and the basic foundation for the house. Then we would use CSS to style it. So this means painting it, organizing it, rearranging it, adding the layout to it, all that styling stuff. We could take this a step further and think of JavaScript and PHP as providing function to the house. So making the heating systems, electrical systems, and the ventilation systems all functional within the house. But mainly we want to stick to CSS right now. So right now, let's quickly see CSS in action. Alright, so this is the DevTech Junior official website page, and I just wanted to show you guys how it would look like if we didn't use CSS. So up here I have this extension which disables CSS, and we're going to quickly use it. So before we do, just observe the web page and you will see the differences. So we can see the layouts, we can see the styling, the colors, the padding, the margins, which we will get into later, and basically the overall style. But as soon as we remove that style, this is what we end up with. Take a look at it. So this is plain HTML. This is how it would look like if this website did not use any CSS or Bootstrap. So I did use Bootstrap for this, but mainly CSS also. So this is how it would look like without CSS. So clearly, we need CSS if we want to make a good web page. Alright, so as we saw, CSS is crucial if we want to create a good looking website on the internet. In the next video, we're going to get our feet wet by immediately learning how we can use HTML classes and IDs and basically select them in CSS and style them. So for all of that and more, I will see you all in the next video.
If you're interested in learning programming the easy way, then please make sure you like this video and subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when the next video comes out. Once you have, please let me know down in the comments. I'll make sure to reply to you. Thanks. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know down in the comment section, or simply join our Discord server and you can post them there. Thank you.